Click on Insert tab, then click on Text box. Draw this text box at this position and type here sales percentage. Resize this text box. Then select all. Click on center alignment and middle alignment. Change the font type Calibri and change the text color this color. Then I format this text box. Select no fill and no outline. I again copy this text box and place at this position. Select all. Enter equal sign. I insert here in the text box percentage value from this sheet. So active this cell reference, press enter key. Then select all. I format this text. Change the font type Calibri. Then change the text color. Increase the font size. Resize. Drag and drop at this position. I also change the text color as well as this slice has. Select all. Select this color. Then click on bold. Then I copy these two text box. Press Ctrl key. Select this text box. First press Ctrl plus C shortcut keys. Then press Ctrl plus V shortcut keys. Press mouse and drag down. Select this text box. I change the formula inside this text box. Active this sheet. For this state, select this value, press enter key. Then I use same formatting in this text box except text color. First select this text box. Click on Format tab. Then click on this text box. After that select all. Change the text color this color. Similarly select this text box. Press Ctrl key. Copy these two text box. Press mouse and drag down. Then select this text box. Change the formula inside the text box. For this region, select this cell reference, press enter key. Then active this text box. Click on Format pattern. Then click on this text box. Then I change the text color. Select this color. I also change the color for sales percentage value. Select all. I select black color. Then active this text box. Click on Format pattern and click on this text box. Click on Format pattern and click on this text box. After that, I copy these 6 text box and paste in these 3 donut charts. Active this text box, press Ctrl key. Press Ctrl plus C shortcut keys and press Ctrl plus V shortcut keys. Press mouse and drag right. place at this position. Then I change the formula inside the text box. Select all. Enter equal sign. For this state, change the value. Select this cell reference. Press enter key. Then select this text box. Select this cell reference. Then select this text box. Select this cell reference. Press enter key. Now active this text box. Click on Format pattern. Next I change the text color. Select all. Select this color. Then select all. Select this color. Select all. Select this color. Similarly, copy these two text boxes. Press mouse and drag inside this text box. Press Ctrl key and drag down. Change the formula inside the text box. Select this cell reference. Press enter key. Active this text box. Then select all and change the text color. Select this color. Similarly, I move these text box slightly down. So select all these text box. Press Ctrl key. Press mouse and drag down. Similarly, select these text box. Press mouse and slightly drag down. So if I select any month, I see here all values are changed inside these text box. In the next video, I add more text box that will show revenue values.